Okay, you're going to get out your reading journal and write today's date. Today's date is 12/1/20. Let's write the title. Text features. Okay, on the slide I have an image. If you can go ahead and pause this video, look at the image, and you're going to try to see if you can remember which text feature that image might be. So you're going to complete the sentence. This text feature is, now on the blank, you're going to write your answer. I'm going to write your different options right here. Here are your different options. Captions, charts, labels, or heading. So, one more time. You're going to look at the image that's on the slide. You're going to try to figure out, and you might need to go back. You might need to go back to the video where I'm showing you the anchor chart to figure out, is that image captions, charts, labels, or heading? This text feature is, and then you're going to pick one of these answers and write right here.